to my third video. I'll bring the mic a bit closer. Today we're going to be solving threesome. So threesome is actually a very, very tricky problem. It actually took me like literally a day of thinking about this to solve it. And then eventually I had to look up the answer. And even then I tried to look up hints, but then I still like made a little progress. You know how it goes. But let's get into it. So with threesome, you have an array, but instead of twosome where you're trying to find two numbers that sum to like a particular target number that they give you, this one is you're trying to find three numbers that sum to 0. So basically what you have to do for this one is you have to iterate through the list one at a time, and then like for each one you hold it as a fixed value, and then you kind of loop through the other ones with a left and right pointer, and then kind of see which combinations work with each other. I'll try to explain it a bit more while we run through the code, but basically the first step is to sort out the nums array. So what we want to do is just nums.sort. That's the sort method that arrays have. And then we also, I have the mic in front of me, so it's kind of hard to type. You want to set the result equals this. And I think from here, we might be able to just go through the loop. For I in range length nums. So now we basically are looping through each index for nums. And we want to say, what do we do from here? I think we want to actually check if so one of the edge cases for this is after you sort out the thing to -1, like for example, let's say you sort them out to 1, 2, 3, for example. This is the issue you get is if you have another 1 here, you might end up having duplicates in your array. So it will use this one and then go through this ones and then have 1, 2, 3. And then when it goes to the next one, it will do this 1, 2, and 3. And because the result is just an array, it doesn't really compare the two. So it's not a set. And we could end up having duplicates. I was thinking of using tuples earlier, but don't. That's a bad idea. So what we have to do is whenever we are past 1, so if I greater than 0 and nums I minus 1 equals nums I, we want to just skip because we've already processed that. So we just want to do continue. So that's just gonna exit the loop, the for loop, and then go to the next element. And then after we do that, we just want to set the left and right pointer, which left is going to be I plus 1. Right is going to be length nums minus 1, of course. And basically we want to loop through with the 2-pointer system. Usually I'm kind of used to it now, but it's just while left less than right. You just want to calculate threesome right now, actually, which is going to be nums I, so that's the fixed number that we have, and then plus the 2 pointers left and plus nums equals right. So now we have the threesome. What else do we need to do? I think we just have to check if threesome equals 0. What do we do if it's equals to 0? We basically want to add that to the result.append. And then you just want to put nums I, nums left, and nums right. And then we want to actually keep looping through. We basically want to increment left and right. So I should probably leave those 1, 1, 2 example that I had there. But pretty much we want to keep looping through the sorted array to basically find, so that in case like in the middle there's duplicates, we want to kind of loop through them and like not have the same array put in twice. I think you'll understand once I type the idea. So for left plus equals 1, right minus equals 1, because we're moving right backwards. And then we want to do while left. So we want to also do like a boundary check that to make sure this is not out of bounds. So while left is actually less than length nums minus 1, and nums left minus 1 equals. So as left. So basically what you can see we're doing there is we're just checking if left is the same thing. While that's the case, we just want to keep incrementing left plus equals 1. And that's it. And then we want to do the same thing for right, but just the opposite way. So while right is greater than 0, and nums right plus 1 equals nums right. We just want to, I don't know, I forgot to do the semicolon. We just want to say right minus equals 1. And yeah, that should be the main case for if we actually have a threesome. So you just want to do an elif threesome is less than 0. If that's the case, because we've already sorted the array, we want to move the left pointer to the right. And to do that, we just want to say left plus equals 1. And I think we can copy this just in case there's duplicates. There's a lot of edge cases for this problem that you need to consider. And we want to do another elif threesome. So you could do just an else, because there's only one condition left, which is threesome greater than 0, but I guess it doesn't really matter, to be honest with you. We want to do r minus equals 1. And we just want to copy this part. And I think we should be good to return result. Let's play it out. Hopefully everything works first time. Let's go. And hopefully once we submit, everything works as well. Yeah, it beats 15% of people, but to be honest, I think this would get you through the interview, and it does it in the ON squared time. So I think this is a very good solution. Yeah.